Hello my friends, welcome back to today's video. It's Odette here. Hope you guys are all doing well. So I am going to get a little glammed up today with Miss Tati Beauty, and I did get my palette in the mail, and this was on pre-order like many of you already know, and the colors are really nice, very pretty. The names of the eyeshadow palette is not on here, but you do have, like this row for example is called Pete, then the other row is called Aura, and etc, but it's a really nice palette. The colors looks really good. So we are going to get a little glammed up today with Miss Tati Beauty, and we are going to see how this look is going to turn out. The glitter colors are really nice, and I always appreciate a dark color or black color in a palette, which is really nice, and I'm actually loving the colors on here. Let's see what we can create. I don't have a particular theme in mind for this video today, but I just want to see what I can come up with Miss Tati Beauty. So let's just start blending, and I am going to go in with the smooth colors, and I'm going to use a color to the bottom as a transition, and we're just going to start blending. A bit of a fallout like most palettes do, and we're just gonna get to it. The colors blend really nicely. I do appreciate that, with very little effort. It's always good to start off with a really nice base so your colors can really pop. Okay, so now with this clean blender brush, let's just start to build. And I think I'm going to be going in with strong, so we can start building the colors from the side and just go in with some glitter. Let's see how this is going to work. So again, we're going to pick up strong, which is a beautiful, like a bricky, not bricky, but a beautiful brick color. And let's just start from the side, and we're going to kind of build this in. So we are going to be using clean blender brushes the whole way. So I'm going to go in now with my Morphe. This is the M533 brush, and I'm going to be shifting myself to the ritual side, which is like the deeper color, which is in the brown. And to the bottom, I'm just going to grab this brown color, and I'm just going to go above the hood of my eyes, and I just want to blend this out a bit. So using the exact same color, I want to be able to build this in right in the corner and make it a little bit deep. So using the black color, and I'm just going to use another brush here. Just give me 1 second, guys. Let me just go in with a very small blender brush, and I just want to smoke up this corner. I'm going to take some concealer now, and I'm just going to put that on the lid. And we are going to be going in with this beautiful peach right above strong, and this is just going to go right here. Oh my god, the pigmentation of this color is wild. That's amazing. And I'm going to use the color above the strong section here, and which is a lighter peach, and I'm going to put that right in the corner. So I'm just going to take another small brush, and it's a Milani brush. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but where it says Ritual, so I'm going to dip back into that brown color, and I just want to define this corner just a little, just to shape my nose a little bit. Guys, I am not a makeup artist. I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, but I'm trying to beat this face, guys. I really am. So I just want to give my nose a little bit of a shape, just like so. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with the blender brush, and I'm going to use the same brown color, and we're just going to blend everything out. I'm going to clean up my corners because I always like when the sides of my eyes, they're nice and clean. It looks really nice when I do this. I'm going to take my black eyeliner here from Revolution, and I'm just going to line my eyes. So this is the black eyeliner from Inglot. Very, very, very creamy. And I'm just going to line my eyes. So mascara is going on, and then I'm gonna go in with my lashes, and I'm gonna of course do that off camera. This mascara is from Benefit. This is a Bad Girl, I think it's a Bang mascara. This is really, really good. So I've got some lashes here, and I think I got these lashes from, I don't know, maybe Boohoo, Pretty Little Things, not quite sure, but these babies are going on. I'm just going to show them to you. Okay, they're already prepped right there. Let me get my lashes on off camera, and I'll pop back in just 1 second. See you in a minute. So the lashes are on, so we're just going to start working on the face, and I'm going to go in with my corrector stick from Cover FX, and the shade is in Brick, and we're just going to color correct some places. And we're going to blend that out. So I'm going to use my Inglot Foundation. This is in number 92. And I'm just going to take my Labelle flat top kabuki brush, and we're just going to go straight blending. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in number 40. And we're just going to put a little bit of this just under the eyes. And I think I just want to highlight just tiny spaces on my face. Then I'm going to use a clean brush and blend. This is my Mercier Settong powder, and I'm going to use my Instylish beauty blender to do that, and I'm going to use a very small side just to put the powder on. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to blend this out. I love this powder from Laura Mercier. I think it's a really, really good powder. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this blush. It's a Boohoo blush. And I'm going to put a little bit of this right on top of this baking right now. And you probably have never seen this before, right? I know, this is very, very unusual. Because I want to give myself some extra highlight. And then I'm just going to go back in with my Laura Mercier powder. And I just want to blend this out a little bit more. You know, you can choose to do anything you want with your makeup. It's not just made for one particular thing. And if you could notice now, it's a little bit more highlight under my eyes. And in spots where I really need it to be a little bit more highlighted. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my NW45 powder. And I'm just going to grab a powder brush and we're just going to bring everything into balance. So now I'm going to take my Sweet Cheeks Summer Breeze. This is from NYX. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this just right there. Just like so. So I am going to work on them lips right now. Lip balm is going in. And I'm going to use my lip liner that is called Glory. This is from Revolution. This lipstick is called Vida, and this is from VLace Cosmetics. And so now we are going to set everything with my Morphe setting spray. So this is the final look of the makeup. I am all done with this look today. Really, really nice, really simple. I would say this might be a little bit of a Christmassy look as well. Using the Tati makeup palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. This is going to be featured in Odette's magazine for sure, because anything that I really like and that stands out to me is going to be featured in my magazine. Beautiful palette. The colors are so amazingly pigmented. I went in with some colors from Soothe, Strong, Ritual, and I used a dark color here that's Memory. The colors are really, really, really pretty. I mean, the glitters are just amazing. Absolutely love this palette, and everything came together so nicely. And I kind of did a matchy-matchy with the lipstick from VLace Cosmetics. It's called Vida. Everything that I use on my face is going to be listed below for you guys. Let me know what you think of this makeup look today. I really like it. The palette is really, really, really pretty, and I have no regrets at all getting this palette at all. And this brick color over the eyes is just amazing. Very, very, very pretty. Again, all the details of everything that I use will be left below for you guys as well. Let me know your thoughts as per usual on this makeup look today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.